Good morning. Monday morning. Got some blocks to lay. We're on the last course up the top. This will bring us up to finished floor level. So hardcore level is achieved. You can see behind me. I don't know if this will allow us. The hardcore level is now blocked up to with 4-inch concrete blocks. And then on top of this now we need a 9-inch tall block which will allow for the thickness of our concrete and our insulation. So yesterday we did quite a few blocks in the awkward trench, but we managed to get all the corners in, and we've cross measured it to check it for squareness, and I'd like to say it's perfectly square, which is quite an achievement when you're coming up out of the ground and you can't measure diagonally as you come. So it's all been done on squares and levels and string lines, but we've managed to bring it up to level, and I placed blocks directly on the corners exactly where they will live, and then measured it diagonally, and lo and behold, it's perfect. So that's very unusual. Usually you end up 10 or 15 mil out at least, but it worked out. It was absolutely perfect. So we're on to a winner. So today I'm going to lay these blocks up to floor level, and I've got you up on the other camera on time lapse so you can watch the day as it progresses.
So that's it for us this week. As you can see, lots and lots of activity with this base. Not the most exciting, we do warrant you that, but we're just keeping you up to speed with the progress that we've made so far. For those of you who are new around here, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because it does help us keep the channel going. Till next time.